Hi, my name is Laprit Kaur. Today I am going to present on the topic globalization, sustainability, and social media trends in human resources management. So let's begin with the slides. So this is my agenda. So I'm going to present the introduction, globalization and HRM, sustainability and HRM, social media and HRM. So importance of aligning these trends in human resources management, and then I will conclude all the presentation. So let's begin with the introduction. Imagine a world where business operate without borders, prioritize the well-being of the planet, and leverage the power of social media to attract retain top talent. This is the world of this is the world of globalization, sustainability, and social media trends in HRM. In this presentation, I and the person who is watching will explore how these trends are transforming the HRM process and revolutionizing the way business operates. First is interest in HRM trends. Globalization, sustainability, and social media are three major trends that I choose are transforming the way business operate. HRM is no exception, and studying how these trends are affecting HRM can provide valuable insights into the current state of the industry. Desire to improve. By understanding these impacts, an organization or HRM organizations can improve themselves and also identify the opportunities to improve their practices and more, and will remain competitive in the whole global market or in this changing environment. So need to attract and retain top talent. Globalization and these social media trends are all factors that can influence the preferences and the expectations of job candidates. By understanding how these trends are shaping the job market, organizations can better tailor their practices to attract and retain on the job. Recognition of the importance of these trends. So, sustainability is becoming an increasingly important issue for business and society as a whole. By exploring these trends, uh, like sustainability, they can incorporate it into the practices, and organizations can play a role in creating a more sustainable future or for their organizations. Globalization and HRM. The trend of globalization has a significant impact on the HRM process. It is visible in the planning stage where HR managers must consider the impact of globalizations on the company's workforce and talent pool. In recruitment, companies are now looking for candidates with a global mindset and experiences in different cultures. And in selection, HR managers are looking for candidates who can work effectively in a global environment. And the fourth process is in training. In companies are focusing on cultural sensitivity and diversity training to help employees to work better in that global environment. The trend of globalization can also be found in performance management and career development, where companies are looking for employees who can take on international assignments and work on global projects. As an example of business where the trend of globalization is being used in is IBM. IBM has a global workforce and is known for its diverse workforce. The trend of globalization has helped IBM to expand its business globally and hire the best talent from around the world. The trend of globalization aligns with IBM's strategic goals of expanding its business globally and increasing its market share in different regions. Now, let's talk about sustainability. The trend of sustainability has become a critical issue in HRM processes. In the planning stage, HR managers must consider the company's impact on environment and also the role of HR in promoting sustainability. In recruitment, companies are now looking for candidates who have experience in sustainability and are environmentally conscious. Like they are conscious about the whole environment. In training, companies are providing training on sustainable practices, environmental awareness, and social responsibility. The trend of sustainability is also visible in performance management, where they are evaluating their performance based on their goals, on all the goals. An example of a business where the trend of sustainability is being used is Patagonia. Patagonia is a clothing company that has made sustainability is a top priority of that company. The trend of the sustainability has helped Patagonia to build a loyal customer base and attract employees who share its values. The trend of sustainability aligns the Patagonia's strategic goals of reducing its environmental impacts and promoting sustainable practices in the fashion industry. Social media and trends. The trend of social media has transformed the HRM process. In recruitment, companies are using social media. As we can see, we always apply on Indeed or LinkedIn, right? So this is the HRM and trends of social media linking. And so they are attracting candidates by developing their page or in that social platform. In selection, companies are using social media to evaluate candidates online presence and conduct their background checks. In onboarding, companies are using social media to help new employees connect with their colleagues and learn about the company culture. The trend of social media is also visible in performance management, where companies are using social media to recognize and reward employees for their achievements. An example of business where the trend of social media is being used is Japos. Japos is an online shoes and clothing retailer that has made social media an integral part of its process. This helped Japos to build a strong employer brand and attract candidates who share its values. The trend of social media aligns the Japos strategic goals of creating customer-centric culture and providing exceptional customer service. Aligning these trends into the HRM process. By aligning these trends of globalization, sustainability, and social media with the strategic goals of a company is crucial for achieving success. It helps a company to attract and retain top talent, improve sustainability, and build a strong employer brand. For example, a company that has a strategic goal of expanding its operational globally can use globalization trends in HRM to attract and retain on the job from diverse backgrounds. This can help the company to improve its market shares, profitabilities. Similarly, a company with a strategic goal of promoting sustainability can use sustainability trend in HRM to attract and retain the employees who are passionate about the sustainability. This can help the company to reduce its environment footprint, improve its reputation, and had a strong employer brand. So, lastly, in conclusion, these three trends, globalization, sustainability, and social media, are transforming the HRM process, all the process we can see, right? Companies that embrace these trends and align them with their strategic goals will be better positioned to attract and retain top talent and promote sustainability and build a strong employer brand. And if they use these trends as a good thing, they are going to compete on the global scale and have so much benefit in the trends. So that's it. Thank you so much.